Hello grade 7 students. Our topic today is about multiplication and division of rational numbers. Okay, example number 1, negative 2 over 7 times 1 over 6. So, una nating titingnan kung pwede ba nating gamitin yung cancellation method. Since pwedeng gamitin 2 and 6, so we will cancel this. So, 2 becomes 1 and 6 becomes 3. So, 1 times 1, 1 times negative 1, 1. Then 7 times 3 is 21. So, your answer is negative 1 over 21. Okay, example number 2, negative 5 and 1/5 divided by 2 and 1/3. So first, we will change mixed fractions into improper fractions. So how do we convert mixed fractions into improper fractions? So 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. So we have negative 26 and then copy the denominator over 5. And then next step is divided by 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 over 3. And the next is to find its reciprocal. First, we will rewrite this. Negative 26 over 5. And then the reciprocal of 7 over 3 is 3 over 7. So since we can't use cancellation method, so we will proceed with the multiplication. So 26 times 3 is negative 78 over 5 times 7 is 35. We can still simplify this by converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. So, in converting improper fractions into mixed number, so you simply divide it. So, 78 divided by 35. So, 2 70 8. Your final answer is, don't forget the negative sign, negative 2, 8 over 35. Example number 3 is negative 1 over 7 times 4 over 5 times negative 7. So, first, wag tayong malito sa given na ito. So, we can rewrite this. So, negative 1 over 7 times, next is negative 7. Since may imaginary siya nga, over 1. And then, 4 over 5. So, we can now use cancellation method. 7 becomes negative 1 and then negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 times 4 is positive 4 over negative 1 times negative 1 times 5 is positive 5. So that is your final answer. Okay, the last example, example number 4, negative 2.57 times 3.6. So, we will solve it. Negative 2.57 times 3.6. So, do not be confused by the decimal point because we will place the correct decimal order later after we solve this. So, proceed with the multiplication. So, 6 times 7 is 42. And then, 6 times 5, 30, plus 4, 34. And 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3, 15. And the next, 3 times 7 equals 21. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2, 17. And then 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 2, 5, 12, 9. And then count kung ilan yung decimal order dito. So, since it's 3, 1, 2, and 3, so we will count 1, 2, 3, and we will place decimal point here. So, your answer is negative 9.252.